tool, which is going to give that kind of capability for our businesses, whatever, with any kind of sector that is in a manufacturing. Currently, I'm working as a manufacturing industry. There is a manufacturing industry or else a retail industry or whatever. Any businesses, they have to take the final decisions based on the data, what it is kind of data is. There is a raw data or else any kind of data, so they have to take the final decisions based on the data by seeing the capture, whether it is a less sales or else a higher sales. So they have to analyze it and they can take the decisions accordingly. So for this kind of analysis, there is a data analytics. So that is coming into the picture, which can be used and trusted kind of environment, because based on the data only they can able to take proper decisions. So for that, they are going to use many manipulations are there in the data level, whether they can use that Python for the extraction ETL kind of activities, or else they are going to use this kind of ETL tools, which is both is supporting as per the backend visualization as well as with ETL activities. So both some of the tools are supporting. If you can take the BZA tool, which is an Tableau, that is also supporting, which is a separate tool they are providing within Tableau Prep, which is an ETL tool. For that, they can able to clean the data and all. So for Power BI, which is an inbuilt tool is there, that is on Power Query Editor, which is having all the activities we can able to perform it. So the final goal for each and any customer is they have to enable and they have to increase the growth of that particular sector or else industry. That is the main goal for any kind of industry level. So for that, as per the data, whatever it is available at the back end, they have to take the decisions in a right manner. So that is about the data analytics, why it is data analytics, and previously how it is. Previously, they have to analyze with Excel kind of files, and they have to derive some of the macros from there. They can able to take the right decisions. Maybe that is a true or false. They are not aware, but as per this tools, right environment, they are coming into the picture. So data analytics is a field where we can get the extended capabilities for our businesses. We can able to derive the hidden insights which is available in our data or else field level. So this data analytics field, which is very coming next few years, we can able to predict the markets as well, how it is going to trend, the which technologies like machine learning is already available, which is going to provide some of the predictions and based on the Python as well as some coding. And like that, Power BI is also supporting machine learning too, by using some of the data flows concept without writing any single kind of code. We no need to write a code if you are going with the machine learning with the Power BI. So Power BI, that is a tool where we can support this machine learning capabilities as well. Automatically, it will take some algorithms, and then they can predict the what kind of KPI. Based on the KPI, they will derive. We can able to derive the insight for the next couple of years as well. So I just given one more slide. If you can see here, analytics, where is your business today? Suppose this kind of analysis, if you want to do, first we have to find out the raw data. As per the, suppose if you can take any kind of industries, there should be some raw data should be there, like historical data it is going to maintain and current data setup as well. For that, once they will start, this is actually an flow to analyze and to take the decisions like data, information, visualization, business insights and decisions, learning, from what kind of learning, whether reason we are going to take it as a right way or else a wrong way. So from there they can take the right decisions, and finally actions and insights, actionable insights and values, so they can have to derive the values. So let me take you to this next slide. First, the raw data. If there is in any kind of industry, there should be some analyst. They can analyze it based on the data, whether it's an data which is coming from the past 5 years. They can try to analyze it, and from there, once they can analyze, they will come into some picture. Okay, this is the information where we can provide, we can think about the data, how it is looks like, what kind of columns and fields it is available. And from there, once they can get into some picture about the data, then they can try to visualize. Here only we can build some capabilities by using some tools which is an already existed, as I said, Power BI, Tableau. These are the different kinds of tools. They can try to analyze it, the information, and finally they can try to visualize the data as per the requirement. And once they can try to done some visuals as per the data, they can take the business insights and decisions to the customer. Then the customer